How to convert your Facebook profile into a page. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to convert your Facebook profile into a page. But before we get started, please hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. So let's begin. First thing first, you have to open up your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you just tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. After that, you just have to tap on your profile to head over to your profile. As you can see, this is my normal profile right now. And if I tap on the three dots right here and turn on the professional mode, what this will do is it will allow me to have all of the features that a Facebook page has, where I'm able to see all of the insights of my posts. So here you'll have to choose your default audience. I suggest you set it to public as it will be more visible to everyone. Then tap on confirm, and then from here your Facebook profile should be turned into a page. Now, once your professional mode is turned on, you'll have something called professional dashboard, where you will have access to all of your insight, your contents. You can monitor your growth, your monetization, and everything. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys next time.